Hello, this is Mike Milton, President and Senior Fellow of the D. James Kennedy Institute of Reformed Leadership. We welcome you to Reimagining Pastoral Education and Training and to the Pastoral Training Model, which is at the heart of our ministry. Our ministry is to shepherd shepherds who will shepherd the flock, and we do that through a series of training components: internship, residency, fellowship, and lifelong learning, believing that ministers and congregations are better served when pastors are trained using both the university model, seminary, and the apprenticeship model, or the pastoral training model of the D. James Kennedy Institute, combining both information and formation, the study of the subject and the practice of the subject. Welcome.